What's on your lock screen?
It's me and my two best friends. This is my best friend Kat, and this is Bianca. They're just like the best friends you could ever ask for.
What's on your lock screen?
My other best friend named Margot, and me. This is Margot. I have another best friend named Margot. I just love them.
What's on your lock screen?
Oh, my friends. I love them. That was just a fierce picture we took.
What's on your lock screen?
It's me and my boys at a festival. That's just Govball. Couple good memories with the boys.
Can you name 3 countries that start with a D?
Djibouti. Dublin is
Dublin.
that's the city of Dubai. I'm drawing a blank. Is Dagestan one?
Can you name 3 countries that start with a D?
We got Denmark, right? We got Djibouti, and we got Dubai. Yeah.
Whoa. Wait. Dubai's not a country.
Oh yeah, that's right. I consider it.
Can you name 3 countries that start with a D?
Denmark, Deutschland. Oh, why is this hard? It makes no sense.
Can you name 3 countries that start with a D?
Denmark, I've blanked. Would you call Deutschland? I can add that for my second one.
How do you feel about the use of the N-word?
Well, I mean, I'm not going to use it because I'm Mexican, so I'll stick to my words. If you're black, I guess, you can use it.
You would never use the word negotiation.
Come on now.
How do you feel about the use of the N-word?
Ooh. I personally just don't use it at all because it's not my word to use. I respect the culture, so why am I gonna disrespect it?
You think it's disrespectful to say the word negotiation?
Oh, I thought we were talking about the other N word.
Which N-word are you talking about?
I ain't saying it.